So my name is Sam and I'm from Makita's workshop. How I felt when I received the XGT kit? It was like Christmas Day come early. Having the kit in here, it's just boosted up all my productivity, efficiency, the longevity of the batteries. It's just been wicked.
I'm Sam Wilmott and this is Kitted Up with Makita.
I was doing this as a hobby a long time before I turned it into a profession. Before this I was a professional actor in musical theatre and shows in West End, and so I had my days free and I had a house and things to build for, to, you know, the DIY kind of thing. And then I got to a point at the end of that, after nearly 25 years, I was like, I want to do this. I was on stage and I was just kept thinking about being in the workshop. I had a little workshop in my basement of my London house at the time. I would just get in the zone during the day. It was dark, it was damp, the floor was like mud and soil, and had one light, one plug socket. But I loved it. And then 2018, I want to say, I was like, I'm done. And so I left that industry, and about 2-3 years later, after other things that happened, I eventually turned this into a profession. Built this place, got this together, and me and my wife decided to go in cahoots and started up the business together, and it's just been amazing ever since. I just like the idea of turning something that's in your head and building something with your hands and then seeing what happens, you know. And also, this piece especially that I'm building for, that I'm just starting now, this is for a very special person. We're actually doing this for, and so building stuff for people who really deserve it, it's just fun, you know. That's what I do. Why do I think it's good to use the right tools for what I particularly do, which is very delicate kind of work? If you've got the right tools, you can get the job done more efficiently. This kind of stuff I do is very delicate, fine work, and needs a lot of patience and takes time. And so having the right tools at your disposal is great. I've been a Makita fan for years. A lot of these tools here I've got off my wall like 10, 15 years old, back in my DIY days. Having this new 40-volt XGT range has just ramped up the power, the efficiency, the longevity of the batteries as well. It just really helps, especially in a small space like this. It's just wicked. What's next for Sam and Makita's workshop? Well, we're actually going to be doing more content next year. A very different kind of content that I think our niche has seen before, so we're super excited about that. It involves lots of builds, lots of helping other makers, which I'm just really passionate about, as well as making things for the general folk, especially ones who really deserve it.